Last item for this brief updating is what I call is more emphasis on equity. What do I mean by that? I talked about item number probably 1 through 4 was mainly about how to reduce expenses in order to increase cash flow. Actually, item number 1 was how to increase rent without necessarily reducing the expenses, the MTR program. The last item on my agenda of my update is the essence of equity. So right now, October 2025, we're still seeing a lot of great opportunities out there. Now, I want to be very clear. Great opportunities are not just sitting out there. It's all about identifying houses or properties and approaching them in certain ways in order to take something that looks interesting and make it awesome, right? That makes it really attractive, right? So for example, simple one, everybody's familiar with that, is a house that's been sitting on the market for 120 days and they're asking 280, and we come in and we are able to take it for 250, just as an example. We had exactly something like that happening not too long ago. So here's an example of a house in a really good condition. I mean, it was really excellent shape in a good area, was sitting on the market at 275, if I'm not mistaken, give or take. And we were able to get it for effectively 250, right? It was 255, but there were some credits and some rebate, etc. So effectively 250, that is 25,000. Nice house. Great location, you know, an amazing opportunity. So this is not just a one-off. We see those opportunities that we're looking at and we're saying, hey, what do we need to do or what needs to take place in order to turn this interesting opportunity for truly an amazing one? Sometimes it doesn't mean the cash flow is going to be amazing, but at least our starting point is with more equity. So the last item that we are still seeing, which takes work, right? And we do that, you know, the agents and Jessica and myself, we keep at it on a daily basis. We approach those opportunities that we think are a good starting point and we kind of work it so we can get an interesting or a good starting opportunity, house, location, schools, etc., and turn it into a very good one by just approaching it in certain ways regarding the pricing. So here is number 6, how we are able to turn around interesting opportunities into amazing one with some focus on the equity. You guys, thank you very much for tuning in and following it. This pretty, not too long, not too short updates of things that we are still working on. I am super psyched and ecstatic that we are here in a situation where a lot of those things that I've been working on for about a year and a half, all of a sudden I look at it as like, oh my God, I set up to do Resi, it's up and running. I set up to do the midterm rentals, up and running. I set up to do partnerships with other providers to get you better fees and better, you know, services and all of that, up and running. And then started turning into additional programs, the 5% down, the creative financing ones. Guess what? Happening. This is a benefit for you if you are a client. And this can be a benefit to you if you are not our client yet, but you're still interested to benefit from all of this. And you know what? It's not even all of it, right? There's more. There's so much I can put in one video. Thank you very much for watching. You're always welcome to reach out and have a conversation with us about investing. We'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.